Hey, good morning everybody. This is our hall bathroom at our Maitland custom project that we are finishing up. So as you see, actually outside of the doors, which are awesome doors throughout this whole house, they're alder doors that have been stained and clear coated that we used a matte black hardware on for the door handles. So in the bathroom, you've got a double vanity, so these are custom cabinets. So as you can see, we use the same low volt lighting in here. So underneath the toe kick lighting that we used in the kitchen and in the master. So we've got vessel sinks in here, so along with the high arc faucets. All of those look great, all provided by Ferguson. Great place to be able to go ahead and get plumbing, lighting, appliances, lots of different things for your projects. So this area right here, this is the mirror, so we went ahead and framed it. So the glass on the lighting, so the globe is seated, so you can see a little bit of that. So that's where the little bubbles are in the glass itself. So it looks really cool, adds a little unique detail in here. So we've got obviously the same tile floors that have continued throughout the rest of the house. So that was what was continued through here. So of course your linen closet here for storing those pieces. And we've got a walk-in tub in here. This is great for anyone who is a little bit ability or mobility challenged. So you definitely have plenty of space to be able to get in here. So what you end up doing, this is literally a door that opens up. There's a handle on the inside down here. You lift it up and the door pops right open. So and that's how you go ahead and get in and out of the tub. It's a jetted tub, so you've got two types of jets. So the little ones are the air jets, the other ones are the jacuzzi jets, the bigger ones are the jacuzzi jets. So you've got a tub filler on this end down here. So you've got a handheld. So now the great thing about this is it actually comes out and goes straight up into, oops, there we go. So it goes up into, so that handheld bar right there. So you can actually have a shower in there also. The only thing you have to watch out for is a little bit of spray. So you've got your hot and your cold over here. You have a little pillow, so go ahead and lean back on whenever you're resting in here. You got a little shampoo niche back behind there that's tied in with a Listello detail. So for all the tile, we always take our tile up to the ceilings. So in any of our projects, so this one is looking awesome. So whenever you're ready to do your next project, make sure you reach out to us at On Time Construction Consulting. So and let us help you bring your dream vision to life. Talk to you soon.